Okay, good afternoon, everyone. My name is Judge Tamika West Bernard. I'm presiding over the first appearance calendar for Clayton County Magistrate Court. This afternoon, we are streaming live via YouTube. For the record, we started at 11 o'clock a.m. and conducted the first appearance for all inmates that was on the jail list. And then there was one added to the list that requires a first appearance hearing today. So we're going to proceed forward with the first appearance of the inmate that's left, and then I will read him his charges and give him his bond amounts. So at this time, Deputy, because it's a juvenile, you can just have the juvenile state his full name, and then I will go through the list of charges as well as the bond amounts if I can set bail for him today.
State your first and last name.
Dion Blassingame.
Okay, can he speak loudly?
Dion Blassingame.
Okay. Okay, Mr. Blassingame, you've been charged with, it appears to be 7 offenses. I'm going to read each offense and give you the bond amount if there's a bond for each offense. You've been charged with possession of a weapon during a crime. Your bond amount is $8,000. The second charge is possession of a weapon or handgun by a person under the age of 18. Your bond amount is $5,000. The third offense, armed robbery. Because of the nature of that charge, I'm not authorized to set bail for you today. Only a superior court judge can do that. So there's a no bond under OCGA 1761 for the armed robbery charge. With respect to the cruelty to children in the third degree, your bond amount will be $2,000. There's a charge of aggravated assault with a deadly weapon. I'm denying bond in light of the circumstances on that charge as well. You are also charged with making terroristic threats or acts towards the alleged victims in the case. There's also a no bond on that charge as well. With respect to the the last charge you were charged with is motor vehicle hijacking. There's a no bond as well under OCGA 1761, which means I'm not authorized by law as a magistrate court judge to set bail. Only a superior court judge can do that. Do you understand the charges as well as your no bonds and other bond amounts?
Yes, ma'am.
You say no?
Yes, ma'am.
You say you do understand or you do not?
I do.
Okay. Okay, sir. With respect to your preliminary hearing, I've scheduled your first hearing date for May 3rd, 2023 at 8:30 a.m. and your bond hearing will be May 5th, 2023 at 8:30 a.m. Do you understand those two different hearing dates?
May 3rd and May 5th.
Yes.
So May 3rd will be your preliminary hearing. As you recall, when I made my opening remarks earlier today, the purpose of a preliminary hearing is to determine if there's sufficient probable cause to continue to keep you detained. So that will be the purpose of your preliminary hearing that's scheduled for May 3rd. And then your bond hearing to determine whether or not you're eligible for bond on all charges will be May 5th, 2023 at 8:30 a.m. via Zoom. Do you understand those two different hearing dates?
Yes, ma'am.
Now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Also, do you mind if I ask you a few questions to see if you qualify for a court-appointed attorney?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Do you currently have a job?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So in light of that, you would qualify for a court-appointed attorney, so I will appoint an attorney to represent you. If you don't have any questions, that will conclude your first appearance hearing for this morning.
All right.
You don't have any questions?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you, sir. And thank you, Deputy, for your patience.
No problem, man. Enjoy your weekend. Bye.
You too. So that will conclude the first appearance